Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you some of the seeds I'm starting. Now, first and foremost, I already started seeds. Because of the storm last year, all the plastic on my greenhouse got ripped down. And I really wasn't thinking when I started all my seed trays up there, the birds could just fly in and take what they wanted. And that's what happened. So I'm restarting some of my seeds. And I kind of want to show you guys first how I organize my seeds and keep them, and what I'm starting to plant today. Today is May 8th, so I'll probably do an update on my seeds in about a week. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I keep my seeds in. I keep them in ammo boxes because they're airtight. So I have a variety. These are all my seeds that I keep myself, like my ashwagandha and red poppy and all sorts of stuff in there that I keep from my own plants. And then, I hope you guys can see this. I'm not really good at filming like this. These are the seeds that I purchase, and I keep them in envelopes. So this, I have my acorn squash, spinach, and red poppy. These are all cucumber, kale, cabbage, and broccoli. And you get the idea. So that's how I keep my seeds organized, and I keep them airtight in this ammo box so I know that they're not going to spoil in any way before I get a chance to use them. Okay, so now I have what's called a gardening journal. So I keep track of what I start and when I start it, just so I can see the progress that it's making. And this is what I've started to date. Okay, so back there, that's all calendula. Now these are all medicinal. If they are not medicinal, I'll say so while I'm going over them. So there's calendula, nasturtiums, marigold. Now marigold are not only a medicinal, but they keep bugs out of your garden, so it's a good one to have. My sweet peas because they smell so good, and the sunflowers because I feed my chickens the sunflowers. So, and on this tray I have yellow zucchini, corn, kale, cilantro, tulsi or holy basil, black sesame seeds, chamomile, aster, what does that even say? Oh, my ashwagandha, red poppy, and romaine lettuce. So that is what I'm starting today on May 8th. We'll see how they go. I'm going to try to do an update once a week on my seeds so you guys can see the progress that they're making. Now, I don't buy a lot of things from the garden supply centers anymore. But what I do buy is I buy the pre-mixed potting soil to start my seeds. Because the softer the soil, the easier the seeds can open and develop. And I find that the ground here that I have, as good as it is and as rich as it is, it's a little bit hard for starting seeds. So that's my one purchase I make. I get a block of it every year, and I can top up my planter boxes and whatnot with them. So I hope you guys are all starting your seeds. This is one of my planters up here. These are beautiful carnations. They're a light colored pink, and they bloom and they smell so great. And then this is another one of my baskets up on my deck, and that's carnations and bee balm. And I've got the apple mint. I have a hosta in here. I was thinking about putting one, but there's already one here. It's funny, you know, you just got to kind of wait and see what comes. Everything blooms at a different time. That's why I don't like weeding, because a lot of times I pull out my medicinals. So that's it for my video today, just showing you what kind of seeds I started, how I store my seeds, and then I will keep you guys up to date every, I think, Thursday to show you the progress. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for coming by my channel, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.